Okay, so before I post day 12 of my birthday adventure, I want to tell y'all what I did on day 10 because I realized that I missed day 10, but I needed that day. I needed that day for personal reasons. I went ahead and I signed up as one of my birthday adventures for therapy. Okay. And the reason that I did that is because I've been finding my mental health declining sometimes. I don't like the feeling. I've been finding things that trigger me that hasn't triggered me before. I've been finding myself sitting around thinking about things that happened in my childhood that caused me PTSD. I've been sitting around thinking about things in past relationships that has caused me PTSD. I've been concerned about how meeting new people my ability to just like cut them off so quickly and just I've always been that way, but it's getting worse. Like I feel like it's getting worse. Like I will meet these people and like any little thing that they do, I'm like, yeah, no, next, bye, whatever. I don't care. And I know that has a lot to do with me growing and maturing and wanting like just pure peace and joy and happiness in my life. But I also realize that it's not healthy. And I don't like the way it make me feel. So I know that the people that I do it to probably don't feel so good about it. I just need ways to cope with a lot of things. I've been through so much in my life. Like y'all don't even understand. Dating back to my childhood, and I don't want to get emotional, but it's becoming too much. Like I want to learn to move past it. I want to learn coping skills to deal. I want to learn coping skills to deal with certain things. I just want to move past it all and live a full, fruitful, joy-filled, happy, stress-free. And I know that's easier said than done, especially when you're doing life by yourself, full responsibility. But I'm just ready to be my best self. And I didn't care what the cost was. Like that's something I have to sacrifice and just take the time and invest in. Like I invest in everything else, because I need it. Like I need it. I really, really need it. And yeah, so that was what I did for day 10 of my birthday celebration. And I'll keep y'all posted. My first appointment is tomorrow, and like I have mixed emotions about it. It kind of makes me sad every time I have to go back and talk about these type of things, but it also makes me happy that I feel like and I'm making steps towards moving forward in life. Cause I got a lot to talk about, girl. I'm gonna have to make my own notes while I'm talking to this woman because, child, I could write a book. I could probably write 3-4 books about my life. But yeah, that's what I did for day 10. I'll keep y'all posted. Have a good day.